You're watching DDS TV. What irks me most is the fact that the camera's a bystander and gets hit by the at-fault driver. The red car is at fault and the white truck is lucky to go through the intersection unscathed. How did the driver not know that the back door was open? Police found them and this is currently a pending case. It looks like the median there took most of the hit and stopped the bus from crashing full speed into the cars at the light. The sedan driver should get a beautiful, sizable payout from the city. What an absolute idiot. That driver overtook blindly in severe fog. He should count his lucky stars he didn't meet his maker that day. People who drive straight through a down traffic light like an idiot really irk me. They don't know that they're supposed to treat it as a stop sign. That's called the quote-unquote Jersey slide. If only there were signs saying the 208 to the right and to the 287 keep left.
Alright, for all intents, I don't know how to say it. This is expressions. If you do the podcast, there's a bunch of expressions that people don't say correctly, or they combine them with other ones. Fuck, I heard.
The camera was zipping around corners in a narrow area and too close to the car in front of him. The camera flashed for him, but he didn't see the gate closing because of the sun visor, which is still the camera's fault regardless. I think the camera was plane watching, and honestly, I don't blame him. I'm glad that an accident was avoided though. The officer was chasing the biker, and the biker ends up skidding, hits the curb, and has a one-on-one meeting with the pavement. That driver did the worst thing possible after he hit the camera's car. He straightened out his steering wheel while still in contact with the camera's car. That shifted the front of his car into the camera's car, causing more damage. Do you think they need an alignment and a new tire or two? "37 gallons of gas wasted, idling just to yell at the camera. It reminds me a lot of the TV show on Netflix called Beef. Any of you have watched it? Let me know in the comments below. The bus driver claimed that they didn't see the camera in their blind spot. They probably shouldn't be driving a bus or a car for that matter if that's the case. I love the little hesitation and is probably thinking, what the heck kind of door handle is this? Because I will say the Model 3's door handles are pretty unique. Unfortunately, the camera was having dinner and was a victim of a smash and grab. His laptop and headphones were stolen, and as a victim of robbery and burglary myself, I understand his pain. According to witnesses, this man didn't even look at how much damage he caused. The insurance company can't do anything because he didn't hit the camera with his car. It's a little hard to see, but if you look closely, you'll see a car that ran a red light and hit the SUV turning left. If a driver hits a car slowly enough, did they really hit it? Jokes aside though, the only damage was license plate damage, so the camera decided to just let it go. Props to the truck driver for handling this crash pretty well. I love the wobbly-headed dashboard dog as well.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usadashcams.com, you